This is just random adventures. This not particularly Crunch's random adventures. There's just random adventures, and this is the train run. Warning: there could be a lot of violence in this video. Make the truck noise. Get the train. Cut. Get somebody over here. I got it. Alright, come to pop. Train back. Wait. Forward. Alright. Drop this baby right in. Alright. What's taking you so long?
Train is ready.
Alright. Better not take this long next time. You bags. Send the truck back down. I want to talk to you, T.
What the hell? What the hell did you do? Damn you! Bull. I bet you that's the bull's problem. He's the bitch that works in the damn train. Well, somebody get it! Stop walking backwards. Well,
Like, that's really funny.
Oh yeah, he's still moving.
Yeah, he's high. Well, anybody got any remote controls or anything like that? Okay. Train's done. Train stopped acting up, right? Okay, we gotta roll the coke back up there, right? Maybe we could drive the train back up there. Good idea. First we gotta pull the train. Lock this thing so it won't turn. Yeah, like that's gonna make it not turn. Stop screwing around.
Okay.
this now. Well, look what you did, Cole. Ah. Stuff this piece of crap back on. There we go. Alright, Cole, help me put that back on. Will the train like malfunction or anything like that? I really have no idea. Alright, drive the train back up. If you want to go the other way. Oh my god! Like, that was smart, Cole. Just get the Coke. I saw that. I see them. They're dealing Coke. We have to stop them. Bullet, you go over there. Surrender so they'll take you prisoner. Alright. The train. What happened here? Damn. Hey, you. You. What? What do you want? I need info. And lots of it. Have you seen drug dealers lately? No? I just picked up a red trailer and put it on a train. You know that train just went off the road? No? You're suspicious. Alright. I'm gonna follow this track. I got the Coke. Alright. Open her up, baby. Oh, yeah. Finally. Finally. Got all the Coke I wanted. It's fucking awesome. What are you guys doing? Get him! Get him! Come here! Beat him! Oh! I surrender! I surrender! I surrender! Oh, look this! Oh shit!
I saw something. I saw something. What you see? Something white.
Like, what kind of white? Like the actual color white or like a skin white?
Like a motherfucker.
Alright. Well,
Bull, what did you see? Saw a white shit. That's what I saw.
I don't know what he's talking about. Let's just get the train first.
I speak the truth. I speak the truth.
Alright, boy, you're just breaking the train right now. I speak. Okay, we get it. The truth. I saw a white shit. Okay. Just get the train fixed. Forget about the white shit. No! We... Oh! Don't punch me. I speak the truth.